Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the history of one of Nissan's most iconic sports cars, the Nissan Silvia. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a drifting fan, or just love classic JDM rides, this car has left a huge mark on automotive culture. Let's jump right in. The Nissan Silvia is a line of sports coupes that Nissan produced from 1964 to 2002. Known for its sleek design, lightweight build, and rear-wheel drive layout, the Silvia became a fan favorite in street racing, drifting, and motorsports. The name Silvia was first introduced with the CSP 311 in 1964. It was a hand-built coupe based on the Datsun Fairlady, but it didn't gain much commercial success. However, Nissan didn't give up on the idea, and in the late 1970s, the Silvia found its true identity as a stylish, affordable sports car. Over the years, Nissan produced multiple Silvia models, each with its own charm. The S10, 1975-1979, introduced a sharper, more angular design. The S110, 1979-1983, was popular in rally racing, especially with turbocharged versions. The S12, 1983-1988, continued the trend, with turbocharged and V6 engine options. But it was the S13, S14, and S15 generations that really cemented the Silvia's legendary status. The S13, 1988-1994, became a drift king with its lightweight chassis and perfect balance. It introduced the famous SR20 DET turbo engine, which became a favorite for tuners worldwide. The S14, 1993-1999, featured a wider, more refined design and was seen as a more mature evolution. The S15, 1999-2002, was the final and most advanced Silvia, with aggressive styling, a powerful SR20 DET engine, and cutting-edge technology for its time. Sadly, due to stricter emissions regulations and market shifts, Nissan discontinued the Silvia in 2002, ending an era of affordable, fun-to-drive sports coupes. Even though the Silvia is no longer in production, its influence lives on. It remains a top choice for drifters, racers, and JDM car enthusiasts. The car became famous in professional drifting competitions like D1 GP and Formula Drift, with legendary drivers pushing it to the limit. It's also a pop culture icon, appearing in video games like Gran Turismo, Need for Speed, and Forza, as well as in movies like Fast and Furious. With the rise of electric cars and new performance models, fans still hope for a modern Silvia revival. Will Nissan ever bring it back? Only time will tell. That's a wrap on the Nissan Silvia. What's your favorite Silvia model? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.